Hey guys, it's Tasha. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing well. So today's video, I wanted to play with a bunch of new drugstore makeup. Everything's new. I'm so excited to test it out with you guys, to let you know my first impressions and to see if it's any good. So yeah, that's today's video is gonna be all about. Without further ado, there's a fly too somewhere in my room, so if you see it or you see me freaking out, you know why. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. I'm gonna go ahead and prime my eyes. I'm so excited to test out the new e.l.f. X Jkissa palette. This is how I customize mine. It comes with stickers and then I put my name right here. One eyeshadow did come broken, but I just went ahead and pressed it again. The shade in Confetti. So this is what the palette looks like. It is gorgeous. It is a fun, happy palette. So I'm excited to see how it wears, or not how it wears, but how it works. So I'm gonna go ahead and prime my eyes with some concealer. I almost forgot, I also picked up the new collection, well, the whole collection. I also picked up the brush set. This is the Forever brushes. It includes 6 brushes, and this was, I believe, $25, which is a lot of money, but e.l.f. brushes are really good, and she said that she custom made all of this, I'm pretty sure. So this is what the set looks like. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. I'll see if it's soft, and performs good. Okay, so got it out of the packaging. I'm gonna go ahead and start with this one right here. The packaging is beautiful. I love how colorful everything is. It just makes me feel happy. I feel like colorful shadows make me feel happy. And this is the J2. So this is the one I'm going to be using. So I'm going to go ahead and start by taking the shade Peaky, which is this color right here. She said this is a vegan palette, cruelty-free. We all know e.l.f. it is vegan and cruelty-free, but also they're all eye safe, which is perfect because not every shade in every palette is eye safe. For example, Anastasia eyeshadows are not eye safe, and so far these are pigmented. And I'm just gonna go ahead and pack it in like this. With any bright eyeshadow, this is what you want to do. This is a really good soft brush too. And I'm kind of inspired too by her promo pictures in their e.l.f. website. She did like a really pretty green color. I'm going to go ahead and take a blending brush. This is the J3. And I'm just going to go back and forth and make sure the outer corners are as blended as I can get them. Next eyeshadow I want to use is Yosei Might. I'm sorry if I pronounce anything wrong. You guys already know how I am. I'm not doing it on purpose. I can barely pronounce my name sometimes. So this is just a really pretty yellow color. There's a little bit of fallout, just tap X's. And I'm just going to put this right here on top of the green. And use it to blend out too. I'm going to pack it in first. And then I'll blend it out. And it creates like a light green too. You guys, I don't know where the fly went, but I swear to you, I saw it. And I heard it, but I don't know where it's at right now. What I'm gonna go ahead and do is super quickly go ahead and just cut the crease. And I'm just gonna use my concealer and then take a little brush and then just clean everything. I feel like I look like a tropical bird, right? And I'm living for it. I love it. So I'm gonna go ahead and add a little bit more green, a little bit more yellow, just going back and forth. So I'm gonna go in with this color here and apply it on the inner corner. This reminds me a lot of the Anastasia palette, the butterfly one. And then I'm gonna go ahead and flip the brush and apply Firefly. And remember, you guys, I haven't even wet my brush or nothing. Ooh, that's pretty. And then let me go ahead and grab a little bit more of the yellow and blend them together here. So since I don't have like a green liner, what I'm gonna do is just get a flat brush and go with Tink, which is like a forest green color. Tap X's, and I'm gonna use that as a liner. Oh wait, I'm sorry you guys, I forgot I had brushes, and she does have a flat brush. This is the J6. Oh, this is better than the other one because this one's a lot thinner, so I can really get in there. Alright guys, so that is the finished eye look. I'm going to go ahead and add some mascara. I'm using the Covergirl Exhibitionist mascara in the shade black. And I'm just going to go ahead and add this to my lashes. This is not my favorite mascara simply because it doesn't add a lot of length. And I usually like a lengthening mascara. Speaking of mascaras, I did buy the Huda Beauty mascara, the new one. So I'll do that. I'm not going to do a video about it, but I'll use it in a video. I also bought some new lashes. Even though I do not need new lashes, these are from Beauty Creations in the style Mami. So I'm going to go ahead and apply Mami on the eyes. It reminds me of my mom. That's what I call my mom. So I'm going to go ahead, look down. I feel like Mami reminds me of the Lily Lashes from Miami. I think I have to trim these lashes. Yeah, I trimmed them, you guys, and they look so much better. You see, it fits my eye more than this one right here. Look, I'll show you. It's really important you trim your lashes. Sometimes I don't have to, but you guys, look at the difference. I feel like this one, it's like more droopy, and this one's more lifted. The name also reminds me of the Bad Bunny song. The Mami que tú quieres, aquí llegó tu tiburón. Okay, I'm done. Alright, so lashes are on. I love these lashes. I love how I trimmed them too. I love Beauty Creations. That's what I'm starting to realize. They have such good makeup. So again, these are the silk lashes. Those are like my favorite ones. And just in case you have these lashes and you want to trim them, that's how much I took off. Now I'm gonna go ahead and moisturize. I have the e.l.f. Jelly Pop, the water gel moisturizer. They went ahead and re-release this collection. So I want to try this gel moisturizer because they say it worked really good for oily skin. And I am freaking out right now. So I'm just gonna go ahead and apply this on my face. It dries pretty fast. It feels like a good moisturizer for oily skin, and it smells like watermelon. And then I also have this eye cream by them, the 50 mg CBD eye cream. It says it's a soothing and reviving eye cream. So I'm just gonna go ahead and just apply just a little bit. And it's also clear, and it feels like a liquid eye cream, which is great. I'm telling you, liquidy products work amazing for oily skin. I also have the e.l.f. Calm Balm, which is a conditioning lip balm. Looks like that. I'll have everything linked below as well with prices and everything like that. And I'm just gonna go ahead and moisturize my lips. You guys know I always have to have something on my lips. Today, like I said, I am breaking out, you guys, and I'm not going to be wearing this makeup for too long. So I'm just going to go in with my Good Molecules Silicone Free Primer. And I'm just going to apply this here on the face. Pretty much my whole entire face. And then a little bit on the forehead, but nothing too much. This is a really good primer. It feels really moisturizing. Doesn't do anything, honestly, like to do with my makeup. Like, it doesn't help it, but it makes it look better. So I'm gonna go ahead and just apply my foundation. I don't have a new one, so all I'm gonna use, it's one of my favorite ones, the Pure 4-in-1 Love Your Selfie foundation. I'm in the shade TG3, and I'm gonna blend it out with my e.l.f. sponge. Every time I use this foundation, I fall more and more in love with it. I wish I would have done a review once it released, but I didn't. I just bought it. It's just so good, you guys, and they have 100 shades, and you can also just buy them like in a little tube and try them that way. And then for concealer today, I'm using my L'Oreal Infallible in the shade Cashew. Ever since I did my Shop My Stash video, I've been using this a lot. To set the rest of my face and set my concealer, I am going to be going in with the L'Oreal Infallible Loose Setting, I was going to say loose setting spray, loose setting powder. I just did a drugstore top 5 favorite setting powders, so definitely check it out if you guys haven't yet. So I'm just going to go ahead, press it, never rub it to keep the full coverage. And then for the rest of my face, I have like a glitter somewhere in my face, can't get it off. I'm gonna take my Sephora Micro Smooth in the shade 35. This is just amazing, you guys, to make your skin. It gives you extra coverage, but not only does it do that, it just makes it look more realistic. It is so good. Y después, to bronze up the skin and give me more of that glow, I'm gonna go in with my Maybelline City bronzers in the shade 200 and 300. You guys, Maybelline needs to hurry up and make more colors because this bronzer is just so bomb. This part right here, you guys, is in drugstore, but I really wanted to use it for today's video because I got it in the mail today. So this is the Lunar Beauty Moon Prison blush palette. What is this called? Moon Prison blush. First of all, the packaging is amazing. I am obsessed, you guys, with their strawberry palette, and that one smells like strawberry. I don't think this one has a scent, but it smells like the other one, so I don't know if it has the same strawberry scent. But these are the colors. Look how beautiful and peachy and just how delicious everything looks. It just looks delicious. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab, I think I'm just gonna grab Twilight. I'm just gonna go in once, tap X's, and apply it. Ooh, that's a really pretty peachy color. And then I'm gonna go in with Stargaze. Let me go in with Pink Moon. Let me see if it shows up. Yeah, Pink Moon does show up. It looks like a light, like baby pink color. So I'm gonna go in with Stargaze now and apply it. So you guys can see this one's like more orangey, this one's like more pinky. I think he did such a good job with this palette. Hopefully he can release more, like for each skin tone, you know, like the Huda Beauty, like medium, light, dark, because I feel like this, it might be a little bit too light for darker skin tones, but I'm not too sure. Maybe this one's would work, but I feel like they are gonna look a little bit more ashy. And the lip glosses look really, really pretty too, and I have them right here as well. So I'll go ahead and swatch them on another video. But yeah, I bought them all. Let me know if you guys want swatches. Maybe I can do it on my Instagram. Just let me know. But yeah, super, super pretty. The reason I'm not using it for today's video is because I do have a new lip gloss. This is from Beauty Creations. It's the Ultra Dazzle Lip Gloss in the shade Golden Girl. I bought Golden Girl because, I'll show you guys why, but this was only $6, I believe. And then this is what Golden Girl looks like. Super shimmery, you know, super golden. It does have some green. I thought it was going to be a really close dupe to the Dose of Color Over the Top lip gloss. So this is what they look like. Really similar packaging, you know, like the same vibe. So my camera really turned off, you guys, but this is what the Beauty Creations look like. And then this is the Desi x Katie x Dose of Colors collection. So yeah, they're not similar only because this one has some green like reflex to it. So I'm gonna go ahead and put them on my lips right now. Let me just go in with some liner. I just have Morphe Sweet Tea right here, so I'm gonna go ahead and line my lips. And then I'm taking Maybelline Driver. Just a little bit, so it doesn't look too like, you know, my lips, you can see them through. Let it dry out a little bit, and then I'm gonna go in with the lip gloss. I went ahead and got some mascara there, so I'm just gonna go ahead and let it sit, so just ignore that. I almost forgot, you guys, I also have her duo. I'm so excited for this. I believe this is new from e.l.f. in general. This is the eyeshadow topper duo, and this is in the color Pretty Smile. That's what it's called, Pretty Smile. Or no, it's called I'm Pupset. That's cute. And What a Pretty Smile. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab the clear side and just apply it as like a topper. And then I use the more green side and put it here. That just finished off the look even better. Like, it looks so pretty. Wow, I really like it. And this collection doesn't have an inner corner brush, so I'm just gonna be going with this one and the JH37, I think that's what it says, 39 brush, and then bring it upwards. I think it's time to remove the mascara. Let me see. Yeah, and then I just go over it with the sponge. Alright guys, so that's pretty much all I have for today's video. Just a really quick like review on all the products and first impressions today. So my favorite items were definitely the palette. This eyeshadow palette is beautiful. I love how you can custom make it. I feel like more palettes should do that. That's pretty cool. So I love this. I also love the brushes. It's like the perfect brushes that you need to create a beautiful eye look. So they are soft, they work great. I have to see how they wash, but I'm pretty sure it's going to be really good quality since e.l.f. has great brushes. And I also really enjoy her eye topper. You know what, you guys, just the whole collection, thumbs up for her. She did such a good job, and I'm just so happy for her because she just, for being drugstore and affordable, it's like really good and bright. And I also really enjoyed the Beauty Creations lip gloss. I wish it was a little bit more golden, but it's still such a beautiful color. And the applicator, you guys, look, it has that really nice expensive applicator, and I don't think it smells like anything, but I honestly don't know. I don't think it smells like anything. Honestly, it doesn't. It smells a little bit chemically, but I don't think it has a scent. So if you guys are looking for a new lip gloss and you like those like glossy, dazzling lip glosses, you're really gonna enjoy that. More e.l.f. products. I really enjoy the Jelly Pop Moisturizer. It's great for oily skin. At least it feels moisturizing, yet it dries pretty fast. But I'll keep you guys updated. When it comes to skincare, I do like to use it for like 10 times or more to really see if I like it or it breaks me out, you know. But so far, everything just worked great. All right, you guys, so it's the next day. Well, it's actually 2 days later. I was editing the video and I completely forgot to use the one thing I've been wanting to try out. I am wearing a top, okay, just in case you can't see it. It's like a nude color, but I went ahead and did my makeup today. I used all the same products. I used the eyeshadow palette again today, and I am really loving it. So I just used the shade Paloma, which is this really pretty color, and I used it with the eyelid duo. I did notice this is a little bit sheer, so just keep that in mind. And then for my lips, I'm wearing Morphe Sweet Tea with the Lunar Beauty glosses. So this is the bronzer right here, you guys. I'm super excited to try this out. I picked this up in the shade Light, okay? They have a lot of colors. I think they have like 8 maybe, but this one, it is the lightest one, and look how dark it is, which is amazing for darker skin tones. So if you have darker skin tones, you know, richer skin, I would definitely recommend you check out this bronzer lines, because about time the drugstore, you know, steps up their game. So I'm gonna go ahead and try this out. It is pretty powdery, so you guys can see. And then let's see how it applies. Oh, I thought it was gonna be a little bit more darker, but it's really blendable. Like, it doesn't look muddy or anything on my skin. I do have more like a medium to tan skin tone. I like it. It's like a really nice creamy bronzer. If you're lighter than me, I don't think this collection is for you, but there's a lot of bronzers out there. And since I'm here, I might as well try this out with you guys. I also got the Molten Body Glow. This reminds me a lot of the Fenty Beauty one. That one is just way too expensive for me. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply this and see how it looks like. And then I feel like Makeup Revolution does a lot of dupes, or pretty much just copies a brand. So this is the brush, and it reminds me a lot of the Huda Beauty one. But I'm gonna go ahead and blend it out. It smells good. And I picked up this color because I feel like it's the most prettiest one. The other ones will look too highlighty. You know what I mean? Like too much highlighter, and I don't like that. This one just looks like really, look, hopefully you guys can see. Gives you like a nice like shimmery tan, you know, color, perfect for summer. Even if you're just sitting at home, you know, you can still look cute. I'm sorry if anything doesn't look blended. I am doing this super last minute. You know, I don't mind dupes for brushes, because honestly, you guys, I don't like to spend a lot of money on brushes. So I like this whole collection. Really nice, really pretty. Let me know what you guys think of it. All right, guys, so that's pretty much all I have for today's video. Thank you so much for watching and hanging out with me. Let me know if you guys are going to be buying anything of this product or interested in any of this product. I hope you're all staying, you know, as positive as possible during this crazy times, you know. So I really appreciate you guys. I can't even talk, but I really appreciate you guys for hanging out with me, you know, and just talking about makeup to take our mind off of the most important things out there in life. But yeah, guys, I'm sending you lots of love, you know, prayers, And yeah, I will see you guys on the next one. Bye guys.